Message in the bottle. A long time ago, two children, Meena and Ajay, lived in a small fishing village by the sea in South India. They were good friends and lived next door to each other. Their fathers were both fishermen. There was no school in the village, so the children built sandcastles, chased crabs, swam in the sea, and climbed coconut palms all day long. They had a wonderful life without any worries. One day they were playing on the beach when they found a large green bottle. With great difficulty, the children took the cap off the bottle. Inside it, they found a piece of paper. "What does it say?" cried Meena excitedly. "It doesn't. I don't know," replied Ajay. "There is some writing on it, but we can't read." The children wondered what to do. Old Manu, the shopkeeper in the village, could read. He could be able to tell them what it said. They decided to go to him. They scampered along to the shops with the bottle and the paper. They scampered along to the shop with the bottle and the paper. "Look, Manu!" cried the children excitedly. "Look what we discovered and Look, Manu!" cried the children excitedly. "Look what we discovered on the beach." Old Manu took the paper from the children. He put on his glasses and started to read. "If you get this," said Old Manu, "read from the paper. Please write to me. I am David and I live in a small fishing village in New Zealand. Here is my address." Old Manu pointed to the address on the paper. "Here is the boy's address," he said. "This bottle has come all the way from New Zealand. It is a country far, far away over the deep blue seas. You must write to David. He must be a small child just like you. Tell him that you found his message." The children looked down at their feet. They looked very sad. Why are you looking so sad?" asked Old Manu. "We cannot read or write, can we?" replied Meena quietly. "We are foolish." "You are not foolish at all," said Old Manu. "Why don't you learn?" "There is no school here," said Ajay. "How can we learn?" "I'll teach you," said Old Manu with a smile. From that day, every afternoon, when the shop was quiet, the children sat with Old Manu. He gave them paper and pencil and he taught them. Some months later, Meena and Ajay wrote a letter to David in New Zealand. He wrote back to them. The months went by, the years went by. Meena and Ajay still write to David. Now they are nearly as old as Old Manu, was when he found as old Manu was when he first read them the message in the bottle. This was the lesson, my dear children. The two children, those who were playing on the beach because there was no school, so they found a bottle, and inside that bottle a message was there. But what did the message say? They did not know, because they did not know how to read and write, because no schools were there. So they learned how to read and write when old Manu taught them, and then they wrote the letter to their friend who was far away in New Zealand. So, my dear children, with this lesson, with this story, we learn that we should concentrate on our work, though the facilities are given to us, but still sometimes we avoid those facilities. We should not do that. Teachers are important, like old Manu was important to make them learn and write, no? So teachers are important. When teachers are giving you message, the online classes, you should sit properly and try to capture, try to grasp everything, whatever your teacher says, your teacher shows you, you should learn and practice it, because without the teaching aids you cannot read or write anything. So, my dear children, study well during these hard, difficult time. Then also, I hope everybody is sincerely studying at home. So, keep safe, keep studying.